So we've got a new product at Redline I want to share with everybody. This is our new Industrial Series wheel vise. We already sell a lot of motorcycle lifting table wheel vises to guys that have Harbor Freight tables and they're looking to put a decent vise on it. But most of the vises that we sell are the traditional square tubing style vise, and those are okay, but the truth is that's all they are, is just okay. If you're looking for something that's really tough, really heavy duty, very rigid, enter the new Industrial Series wheel vise. This thing is constructed of steel that is almost 1/4 of an inch thick. It's got a great big rubber pad on the inside of it to protect the wheel from the vise. You'll notice that we've got this giant threaded screw rod along with 2 stabilizers at each end of this thing that basically make sure that it's going out true and that everything is very, very rigid. First thing we've got to do is get this thing mounted to the table, so we'll get busy drilling some holes. First thing I need to do is make sure that the holes I'm about to drill don't interfere with any of the braces under the bottom of the table. Next thing to do is mark where my holes are going to go in the table with a punch. I'll go ahead and put 1 bolt in place in order to hold it steady while I mark and punch for the other holes. Mark my next hole. I got all my holes drilled. Let's tighten some bolts. So I'll grab the bike, pull it off center, roll it into the vise, and after it hits the stop, I'll hold it with one arm, crank it with the other. Okay, so the vise is officially holding the bike upright. You can see I can kind of wiggle it a little bit and let go. It's not going to fall over, but still, before you run off and lift the bike, you should definitely put ratchet straps on it, or in my case, use a Redline mini frame jack. So to make the bike extremely stable, I'll put my Redline frame jack underneath it and make the table to the frame of the bike a steel-to-steel connection, which will make it extremely stable. If you're thinking that my frame jack looks old and dirty and anything other than new, yeah, you're right. I've had it for years. So if you're wondering if the bike is stable on a mini frame jack and a front wheel vise, let's see. I'll put all of my weight on one running board. And that's been a how-to install on the new Redline Industrial Series wheel vise. Subscribe to us on YouTube. We're uploading new videos all the time. Check our website out, redlinestands.com. And as always, thanks for taking the time to watch.